Xavier, हमेशा खुश रखो विद्या. This is JV and Dr. Rakesh Sharma, Professor, Department of Medicine and Philosophy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Postgraduate Women's University. Our new lecture is Robert's Philosophy, Chapter 16, the second prescription, in which we try to understand what is the second prescription and what type of the second prescription. So after taking a chronic case, evaluate each symptom and administer a similar, there would be a action expected from the medicine. So every physician has some expectation regarding the action of the remedy. There should be some changes after giving the medicine and accordingly evaluate the action. Second prescription is when first prescription is acted. That is to say, the prescription must be regarded as the similar. Second prescription may be of various types, such as so. The first condition is that is first prescription is acted. If there is no reaction, if there is no action of first prescription, then we cannot include this is in second prescription. The first condition of second prescription is our first prescription should be active. That is to say, the prescription must be regarded as the same. It means कि जब फर्स्ट प्रेस्क्रिप्शन हमारा एक्ट होगा तो वो इस चीज़ की श्योरिटी है कि हमारी मेडिसिन बिल्कुल सही है और उसने पेशेंट में जाके कुछ ना कुछ रिएक्शन डेवलप किया. इट मीन्स आवर मेडिसिन कैन बी सिमिलर. Second prescription may be of various types, such as repetition of the first antidote. If the first prescription has had a good reaction, means remedy should be permitted to complete its work to the fullest. In such condition, the second prescription may be. Now, what is the condition is if the first prescription has had a good reaction, मतलब कि उस मेडिसिन ने जाके कुछ वर्क किया है, कुछ एक्शन हुआ है उस मेडिसिन का. अब उस एक्शन जो एक्शन हुआ है उसको हमें देखना है कि किस तरह का एक्शन हुआ है. अब आगे हमारी अप्रोच क्या रहेगी, हमारा प्लान क्या रहेगा, वो फर्स्ट एक्शन पे डिपेंड करेगा. In such conditions, the second prescription may be repetition of the first. हो सकता है सेकेंड प्रेस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर हमें वही मेडिसिन को रिपीट करना पड़े. A remedy should not be changed without very valid reason. Means कि जब तक हमारे पास में कोई वैलिड रीजन नहीं है, जब तक हम मेडिसिन को चेंज नहीं कर सकते, it is advisable to be repeated at the suitable intervals or consuming a whole range of potencies. Means कि जो मेडिसिन हमने दी वो फुली वर्क कर रही है तो हमें वेट एंड वॉच करना है और जब तक उसकी पूरी पोटेंसीज हम कंज्यूम ना ले लें, यूज में ना ले लें, तब तक हम सेकेंड मेडिसिन के बारे में नहीं सोच सकते. अगर उस मेडिसिन ने वर्क किया है और कुछ पॉजिटिव एक्शन हमें देखने को मिला है. The indication of the correct prescription is removing of the symptoms on which medicine was selected. So there are some guiding line to evaluate our first prescription. That is, on those symptoms we prescribe our first medicine. We should evaluate these symptoms are remaining or present in the case still now or not present in the case. If these symptoms are not presented, it means we have to wait for some more time. When the picture has been almost clear, and only the trivial symptoms are remained, means जो main symptom थे जिसको हमने बेस करके मेडिसिन प्रेस्क्राइब करी थी वो सब ठीक हो गए हैं, वो सिम्टम अब नहीं है, सिर्फ अनइम्पॉर्टेंट सिम्टम्स बचे हुए हैं, तब हमें मेडिसिन को रिपीट नहीं करना है. Here remedy is not advisable to repeat. One of the hardest things for a physician to do is to keep his hands off at this stage. Even if the remedy is repeated at this stage, there is chances of intermingling of drug symptoms. So in this state, there is not advisable to repeat the medicine. It is the condition to think about second observation that first one is acted curatively and it has to be permitted to act fully. So here this is a condition that is first one is acted curatively and it has to be permitted to act fully means हमें पूरा टाइम देना है उस मेडिसिन को कि उसका पूरा एक्शन हमारे सामने आ जाए. इसके अंदर हमें रिपीट नहीं करना है मेडिसिन को. इफ इमेजिन दैट द फर्स्ट प्रेस्क्रिप्शन वाज करेक्ट, दैट इट हैज नॉट परमिटेड फुल टाइम टू एक्ट विदाउट इंटरफेरेंस. So this session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. In the next part, we will discuss about some points regarding antidote of the medicine and other points. Thank you.